Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Michigan in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual fastest way to get your Michigan LLC up and running. So here's the thing. You have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating Michigan's Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs website, filing paperwork, writing operating agreements, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually building your business. Now, I tried the DIY route once in Michigan. Big mistake. Between understanding Michigan's specific requirements, the $50 filing fee, finding a proper registered agent with a Michigan address, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So, yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start a Michigan LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in Michigan. Second, get a registered agent with a Michigan street address. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization with Michigan's Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. And consider getting a Michigan business license if needed. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now this sounds simple, but Michigan has its own quirks. The state requires annual statements, has specific naming requirements, and the processing times can vary. One mistake can delay everything by weeks. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Michigan registered agent, filing with the state, EIN, operating agreement, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know Michigan's specific requirements and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Michigan state filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and Michigan expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description, get your Michigan LLC formed properly, and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.